Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Robbi srohli sadri, wa yassirli amri, wa data milisani yafqahu qawli. Terima kasih ya teman-teman udah pada hadir. Kita mau ulang yang kemarin. Oke, kita mau ulang materinya. Materi minggu ini itu kita udah belajar tentang greetings dan tentang small talks. Oke, sebelumnya let me start. Hi Donna, hi Uswa, how are you?
Hi, Miss Ade. I'm fine.
Oh,
Yes,
Oh,
you're
Ade,
fine.
I'm great.
Apa? Sorry, excuse me.
Yes, I'm fine.
Um, Ingat kan kemarin yang I'm fine itu, what does it mean? Kalau I'm fine? Kalau I'm fine
Anu.
itu ada di tingkatan emosinya tuh yang bagian mana?
Lupa.
Gitu.
Yang bagian tengah ya. I'm fine itu, I'm
I'm
fine
great.
itu bagian tengah. Kalau yang paling seneng apa ya? Nih, I'm fine adanya di sini nih. Di okay, I'm fine, not bad, I'm alright. Nih, adanya di sini. Nah, kalau yang paling oke-nya tuh I'm great kayak gitu. So, jadi how are you again? How are you guys? How are you girls? Tetap aja sih kalau di bahasa Inggris sih kita tetap biasa pakai guys gitu sih. How are you guys?
I'm pretty good. Enggak apa-apa
I'm
deh.
pretty good. I'm great itu yang paling umum ya. I'm great itu yang paling oke lah kalau ini positif ya, positif ininya, auranya positif banget. I'm great. Terus kalau habis ditanya harus
Kan
ngapain?
tanya balik. How are you
Iya,
to Miss?
betul. Jadi harus jawabnya gimana kalau misalkan, Hi Uswa, how are you? Ah, nggak kedengeran. Hi Donna, how are you?
Hi, hi Ade. I'm not so great.
Oh,
Kenapa
everything
tuh?
is good too. Iya, betul betul kayak gitu. Betul betul. Jadi conversation itu harus two way direction, harus ya emang apa polite-nya ketika kita sudah selesai ditanya gitu, ada yang nanya kabar kita tuh bisa ucapin thank you, bisa juga harus nanya balik kayak gitu. Jadi kalau misalkan ada yang nanya, Hi Ade, how are you? Hi, I'm great gitu, thank you. And how about you? How are you? Kayak gitu. Itu kita nanya balik ya.
Oke.
Greetings aman nih kayaknya nih, greetings aman. Oke, dari sini. Kemarin kita udah ini greet a person you haven't seen in a long time. Ini greetingsnya untuk orang yang udah lama nggak kita temui. Biasanya kalau udah lama nggak kita temui, berarti kan kita udah mengenal orang itu ya. Jadi makanya sebenarnya udah mendekati informal semua. Makanya nggak terlalu ada perbedaan antara formal sama formalnya. Ya, there's now a big difference between the formal and informal greetings for a person you haven't seen in a long time. Yeah, in this side it has been a long time, and in this side long time no see. So it's a bit only a slight difference. But it's still it you have to put these greetings first. Yeah, this hi and how are you first, and then you can say this one. It has been a long time. Hi, how are you? Long time no see. Kayak gitu. Ya, jadi it's a package gitu. Paketnya emang udah kayak gitu. Kalau bahasa Inggris itu startnya dari hi, how are you? Nah, barulah how long has it been? Kayak gitu. Udah berapa lama ya kita nggak ketemu ya, kayak gitu. Oke? Now, okay, it's gonna practice. Uswah bagian formal, Dona bagian informal baca. Uswah, Dona.
Oke.
Oh,
Baca itu
formal
aja.
first. Mhm.
It has been a long time.
Yep.
What have you been up to all this year?
Iya, betul.
How long have you been? It's
Yes.
been too long. It's always pleasure to see you.
Yes.
I'm so happy to see you again. What's
Uh-huh.
new?
Oh, good job, Uswah. Okay, Dona, you're next.
Long time no see.
Good.
How have you been? Where
How
have
have you
you
been?
been?
Ini bisa dibaca terpisah juga meskipun penulisannya seperti ini ya.
Oh, okay. How have you been?
Good.
Where have you been hiding?
Good.
How come I never see you?
Yeah.
It's been such a long time. It's been ages since we last met.
Oh, good job. Yeah, it's been ages since we last met. Good job, Dona. Good job, Uswa. Okay, next. Okay, this is how to say goodbye. Now, Dona will read the formal part and Uswa will read the informal part. Okay? Go ahead, Dona first.
Goodbye. Stay in touch. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Good job.
It's been nice talking to you. I hope to see you soon. Good night. See you later. Sorry, I have to go now. Good feeling.
This one is God.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Yes, God.
God willing.
Sorry.
Itu kayak like
God willing.
saying your blessing gitu. Semoga Allah memberkatimu, terus semoga Tuhan memberkatimu gitu ya. Biasanya juga kan kalau perpisahan, kalau formal lagi speech gitu ya bisa ngomong kayak gitu ya, God willing. Oke, Uswah, your turn.
Formal.
Informal.
Oh, informal. Iklan nih, Mama. Bye. See you. Talk to you later. Catch up with you later. Next seeing you. See you. Ya, bener nggak? Bye-bye. So long. Till we meet again. Ini?
So long till we meet
you.
again. Good job, Uswah. Oke, good job, Uswah, Dona. Oke. Nah, sekarang ini yang kemarin. Hai Hafiz.
Hai.
Oke ya, sekarang kita mau role play lagi nih, formal greeting-nya. Ini kemarin udah nih ya. Jadi, I will be Emma, Uswah will be James first, and Dona will be Professor Austin first, okay?
Good morning. Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?
Good morning, James. I'm doing well. And you?
I'm great. Thank you. This is my friend Emma. She's thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Emma. It's pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us.
Don't mention it. Hopefully, we'll be able to answer your question.
Good job, Uswah, Dona, good job. Next, pokoknya kita full. Kalian aja yang ngomong, aku nggak mau ngomong. It's your turn, okay? Okay, this is informal greetings. Now, Donna will start first as Jane, and Uswah will go as Helen, okay? Go ahead, Donna.
Hi, Helen. How's it's going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the to the library. I have got a history exam next week and need to start studying. Oh,
Oh no. Well,
oh,
I'll see you later then. Good luck.
thanks. See you later.
Oh, good job, good job. Sudah pada jago lah ya.
Kalau
Oke,
baca,
Baca doang mah gampang.
jangan remehin kan start awalnya dari gitu. Sambil kalian baca, yang kalian latih adalah reading sama speakingnya. Nanti it will comes naturally. Jadi dibiasain dulu lidahnya ngomong gitu. Kalau kalian cuma baca dalam hati kan lidahnya nggak bergerak ya. Jadi lidahnya nanti takutnya tetap kaku ya kan. Nah kalau kalian baca dengan suara lantang gitu ya, maksudnya itu akan melatih lidahnya juga kayak gitu ya. Tenang. Semuanya nggak ada yang
oke.
sia-sia pokoknya kalau belajar.
Semangat,
Oke.
juang.
Ya, oke. Now this part ya. Oke, ini coba yang pertama how are you not too bad itu jadi gini, ini kan ada 4 ya. Ada how are you not too bad, how is it going, pretty good. Terus ada how's life, great. Terus how's everything, I'm okay. Nah, jadi yang pertama tuh Uswah yang sebelah kiri yang greeting. Terus Dona yang respons, ya. Nah, nextnya Dona yang respons, Uswah yang greeting. Nah, habis itu Uswah lagi yang greeting, Dona yang respons. Habis itu Dona lagi yang greeting, Uswah yang respons. Oke? Go ahead.
Oke. Dona first.
No, I think Uswah's first.
Oh, Uswah. Okay. How are you?
You try to say her name. Like, how are
Oh.
you, Dona?
Oh yeah. How are you, Dona?
Not too bad. How it's going?
Oh, I'm pretty good.
Pretty good. I think Uswah.
Pretty good.
Yep, pretty good.
How is life?
I'm great. How's everything?
I'm
How
okay.
is everything?
Good. Yeah, you can develop more like, hi, how are you, Donna? Donna will say, yeah, I'm not too bad, something like that. Terus kalau ini, well, how's it going? Well, pretty good, kayak gitu. Kalau di luar tuh suka pakai well gitu loh. Well, not too bad. Itu kayak kalau di Indonesia tuh kayak ya gimana? Ya semua baik-baik aja sih. Ya alhamdulillah aku baik-baik aja kayak gitu ya. Jadi itu bisa ditambahin well-nya juga, oke?
Bu, izin Bun, Al nangis.
Kenapa?
Masih sakit, masih demam, Al nangis. Bentar ya,
No.
baru bangun tidur dia.
Oke.
Aduh.
Donna, give me a second. I need to close the door first ya. Okay, Don. Now we can move to the and Uswa, I hope your son will be okay. Syafa Allah ya. Syafahullah for him. I hope he will get better soon. Okay. This is what we discussed yesterday about small talk. Okay, so small talk itu yang kemarin udah dijelasin ya. It is polite and standard conversation about unimportant things. Nah, small talks ini memegang peranan penting kalau kita baru bertemu orang atau dalam situasi social gathering ya, atau kita kayak baru kenalan sama orang asing di sosial media gitu. Jadi di sini kita bisa lihat dia nggak so the definition of small talk from Oxford is polite conversation about unimportant or uncontroversial matters, especially as engaged in a social occasion. Jadi small talk itu yang dibicarain hal-hal yang nggak penting dan yang nggak kontroversial. Jadi jangan bicarain masalah rumah tangga, jangan kita nggak bisa. It's a very forbidden things, ya. To discuss about private matters in a social gathering or with someone who you just met. Yeah. Okay. So this is the 3 rules how to make small talk. You should ask open-ended questions, so it would lead to a conversation. Tujuannya itu supaya komunikasinya itu ngobrol gitu, supaya ada terjadi interaksi ngobrol. Kalau misalkan nanyanya cuma oh ya kalau Miss Rara kan ngejelasin jangan kayak orang interview ya. Jangan kayak orang interview, nanti kalau orang interview tuh jawabannya ya udah, siapa nama kamu? Ade Dewi Hastuti. Kuliah di mana? UIN kayak gitu. Nanti itu pertanyaannya akan berhenti sampai di situ, nggak lead ke sebuah conversation. Nah, kita pengen supaya nge-lead ke sebuah conversation tuh kita biasanya bicarainnya hobi atau tentang cuaca kayak gitu. Ini beberapa topiknya ya. Okay, so this is a few topics I choose tentang location atau venue. About this one, what do you think about this place? Okay, Donna, you should read these questions and then this one. Okay, go ahead, Don.
What do you think about this place? Do you like paintings?
Oke, gini, gimana kalau pertama Dona yang nanya, terus aku yang jawab. Nanti yang kedua, aku yang nanya, Dona yang jawab, oke?
Oh,
Oke ya, oke. First question, Dona nanya ke aku.
taruh deh. Gimana tadi? Ini jawab sendiri ya?
Iya, jawab sendiri.
Ngarang.
Enggak kok, orang ini small talk topics. Jadi bisa ya udah jawab apa adanya aja kayak gitu.
Oh, what do you think about this place?
This place is a bit big, and I think it's quite comfortable to work in here. I like it.
Okay. Do you
Oke,
like
kayak gitu ya.
painting?
Jadi bisa dia the other person will answer like more than just yes or no gitu. Try to ask something that the other person can like express something and not just give you a how do you call that? A yes or no answer like that. Okay? Coba next question, Don.
Do you like paintings?
No, I don't. And I don't quite understand about paintings. I prefer music.
Oh, okay.
Iya,
What
nanti dari
is your
situ kan,
hobby?
dari situ jadi Donna bisa nanya balik lagi. Oh, what kind of music do you like? Oh, I also like music kayak gitu. Jadi ada ininya apa respon timbal baliknya gitu. Makanya that would lead to a conversation kayak gitu. Okay, next Don.
What is your hobby, Ade?
Oh, my hobby is swimming and reading. What about you?
My hobby is traveling.
Oh, traveling. Where have you been traveling? Udah traveling kemana aja?
I have ya.
Huh?
I have traveling to
I have been.
I have been to Jogja
Oh,
and
nice place.
many place.
Oh, nice place. I would love to travel too. Jadi kayak gitu Don. Bisa dong. Sekarang small talks ya. Ayo Don,
Okay.
next Don. Yang keempat Don. After this, it will be your turn to answer.
Do you like swimming, Ade?
Oh, I love swimming. Swimming is fun. It's a nice sport where you don't get sweat and you still can do workout. Yeah, I love swimming. How about you?
Hmm. I don't like swimming because I
Oh, you don't
cannot
like swimming.
swimming.
Why?
I can't swimming.
Oh my God, we should train sometimes. Yeah, let's go to the beach next week. Yeah, I will train. I will teach you how to swim. Okay?
I just apa sih main-main apa ya?
Apa?
Main air aja itu apa?
Oh, yeah, I just love to play at the pool or at the
Play
beach
at
kayak gitu.
no. Ya itulah. Ya itulah. Playing water ya, playing water.
Yeah, I just love playing with water. Kalau itu kurang tepat bisa juga bilangnya begini. I usually only play at the side of the pool kayak gitu. Saya biasanya cuma main di tepi pinggir kolam kayak gitu.
Oh.
Kalau I just love playing with water tuh kayak, oh saya cuma suka main sama air tuh. Itu dalam secara bahasa Inggris tuh itu enggak ini. Maksudnya
Aneh ya.
kalimatnya akan bisa lead ke pemahaman yang berbeda kayak gitu.
Oh.
Nah, kalau Dana kan maksudnya paling saya cuma seneng main airnya aja di kolam renang kan atau di pantai gitu ya. Well, I just you can say it like even though I don't like swimming, but I still go to the beach or to the swimming pool because I like the atmosphere or I like playing at the poolside or at the beach kayak gitu. Jadi itu you really have to elaborate the terms even though it sounds simple like don't I just love play with in the water kayak gitu, play in the water. Tapi itu tetap harus di elaborate karena dalam bahasa Inggris itu mungkin orang asing tuh belum ngerti konsepnya kayak gitu loh. Suka main air, suka main sama air kayak gitu. Ya.
Oh, yeah, oke.
Okay. Ready?
Bentar,
Now
bentar,
is my turn.
bentar. Yes,
Okay. Okay. Have you watched Avatar 2, Don?
yes, I
Oh,
have.
what do you think about the movie?
I think the movie is very, very awesome.
Oh, very awesome. Oh, you love the movie a lot.
Yes, of course. Do you have watched?
Have you also
Have,
watched Have you also
apakah kamu
watched
sudah gitu?
Have you also
Apakah kamu
watched
juga sudah gitu ya?
yes,
Have you also
kayak gitu.
watched?
Atau have you watched Avatar 2 kayak gitu. Jadi 2-nya itu di belakangnya si have you watched
Ada.
Avatar 2 kayak gitu. Have you also watched Avatar 2? Yes, I have. I watched it with my son. It was a
Oh,
great movie too, I think.
oke, gue nanya apa
Oke.
lagi?
Ya, good. Ya kayak gitu. Small talk topik tuh kayak gitu. Jadi yang penting ada percakapan. And you've done a good job. Good job. Okay. Next ya. Do you like pizza, Don?
Yes, I like pizza.
Oh, what
Hut.
kind of pizza?
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Yes.
What kind of flavor do you like?
I
Oh,
like all flavor.
oh salah. Kalau pizza tuh gini.
Flavor.
What kind of topping do you like in
Oh,
in your pizza?
kamu topping ya? Bukan flavor tuh apa sih?
Kalau
Jenis ya?
flavor kan rasa, tapi kalau
Oh,
pizza itu
rasa.
bukan rasa ya yang ditanyain karena kan
Iya.
ya pizza ya rasanya ya sama semua gitu kan.
Iya.
Tapi flavornya ini gitu. Kalau enggak, oh do you like the American style pizza with the thick bread or do you like Italian kind of pizza with the thin bread like that? Jadi Dona sukanya yang model tebel kayak American style pizza atau yang model tipis kayak Italian style pizza? Atau what kind of topping do you like for your pizza? Topping apa yang Dona suka untuk pizza Dona kayak gitu? Karena kan kalau pizza itu yang ditanyain bukan rasa ya. Mungkin kalau kayak makanan apa yang ini sukanya spicy atau ini gitu tuh flavor tuh yang kayak gitu. Misalkan saya suka nasi goreng, I like fried rice. Oh, what kind of fried rice do you like with bisa dengan with shrimp or seafood fries kayak gitu, seafood fried rice atau spicy one kayak gitu. Jadi kalau flavor yang ditanya itu pasti yang jawabannya tuh sweet, spicy, sour. Nah, itu nama-nama rasa kayak gitu. Tapi kalau pizza kan topping ya yang ditanya. Oke, Dan?
Okay.
Okay, next question. Are you a teacher?
No,
Eh,
I'm
tadi
not
belum
a teacher.
dijawab, Don. What kind of
Oh.
topping do you like for your pizza?
Oh, I like all topping.
Meat lover or more of mushroom and vegetables?
Oh, all topping I like. All
Oh,
topping
kind of
I
like.
like.
I like pizza too, actually.
I'm apa sih ya?
Good
Hanya
job.
itu. Oke,
Iya.
ganti dah. Bingung.
Oke.
Mau nanya balik kadang bingung deh.
Nanyanya mau
Kata-katanya.
nanya apa, misalkan?
Oh, ini aja enggak. Would you like to come with me to the pizza store?
Oh, I see. So when I said, actually, I like pizza too. Oh, really? Donna, you can say that. Oh, really? Then should we come to the Pizza Hut restaurant some other time? Kayak gitu. Or should we come to the Pizza Hut to next week? Kayak gitu. Should we come together to the Pizza Hut next week? Kayak gitu.
Hadir.
Iya, Donna kan kayak ngajak gitu kan. Ngajak. Hey, Uswa, are you okay?
Iklan sebentar.
Oh my God.
Udah aman.
Maklum.
Aman.
Udah aman belum?
Aman. Aman tidur lagi. Udah tidur lagi.
Masya Allah. Udah minum obat? Has he take his medicine?
Belum. Bentar.
Should give
Ya.
him his medicine first. Mhm.
Sambil
Oke.
dengerin sih tadi. Sambil dengerin.
Gantian tuh deh, gantian.
Ganti Uswa.
Sekarang Uswa tuh yang
Iya,
bawah.
Uswa sama Donna. Aku mau penonton aja, chill. Now, Donna will ask the question and Uswa will answer, okay?
Gantian dulu lah, ada yang nanya tuh gantian tuh yang bawah tuh dua lagi tuh.
Ya udah, sama yang expert ya Don ya, biar kita
Iya.
depan ya Don ya.
Jadi
Oke,
ngomongnya nggak terlalu
Uswa.
bingung.
Okay, Uswa. Let's try. I will ask you the first, the one on this side. Okay. Ini aja. Okay. Hi Uswa, what is your hobby?
Tutup. Tunggu. Apa?
Hi Uswa, what is your hobby?
Oh, my hobbies are traveling, shopping, and jalan-jalan. Makan apapun, eating gitu.
Enggak, culinary.
Culinary.
I love
And culinary.
yeah, traveling and culinary experience. Jadi nyoba-nyobain makanan gitu, culinary experience sih kita nyebutnya makan-makan itu. Okay. Also, you love shopping and culinary experience. What kind of food do you like?
I like. Oh, ada tamu, Bu. Tunggu ya, gue tutup dulu. Ada tamu, anak gue. Bunda kalau tanya, Bunda lagi belajar gitu ya. Tunggu ya, Bun. Sorry ya, Bun.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay. I like traditional food, Japanese food,
Wah, I love
Are
Japanese
you?
food too.
Aku mau ngajak kamu makan. Apa ya, Bun?
Uh,
Bahasa Inggrisnya.
would you like to
Kapan-kapan kita makan.
try to
Oh,
taste to have a culinary experience with me sometimes? Kayak gitu.
would you like gitu? Would you like
Would you like to have
culinary with me gitu?
culinary
Or
experience
would you?
with me?
Oh, would you
Boleh
like
sometime,
culinary
boleh next
experience
week.
with me gitu?
Timingnya terserah Usma. Nanti
Would
kita
you
ada
like
belajar tentang would you
culinary?
like to have kayak gitu itu apa? Itu ada istilahnya sendiri itu Gambit itu. Kata-kata yang untuk request sesuatu tapi polite in a polite way gitu. Ngajakin temen, mau minta sesuatu kayak gitu ya. Ih, kalian keren banget loh, udah pada bisa loh. Oke, nih.
Amin.
Okay, Uswa, the second one. Uswa, are you a teacher?
Yes.
You're a teacher,
No,
really? When do
I'm
you teach?
a housewife, yeah. I'm teacher for my son, but I'm housewife. Bener gak? Correct?
I see. Good job. Okay, good job, Uswa. Now, okay, this is the last topic. What is the weather like in your city? But now I want Donna and Uswa to have this conversation. Okay. First, I need you two to decide which one is to be the question or which one who would answer. Okay. So Uswa and Donna, you decide.
Donna first.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Donna, you should ask Uswa.
Yang kiri ya?
The last topic. What is the weather like in your city?
Oh, what is ya? Kok hilang?
Maaf.
What is the weather like in your city, Uswa?
I like winter
Why?
because apa ya bahasa Inggris?
Okay, pause.
Sama dan kita kalau
Sorry, I need to explain about this question. What is the weather like in your city itu artinya cuaca di kota kamu seperti apa? Kayak gitu.
oh gitu.
What is the
bukan
weather like
apa yang
in
kamu
your
suka.
city? Bukan Uswa suka cuaca seperti apa kalau nanyanya kayak gitu? What kind of weather do you like, Uswa? Nah, itu kayak gitu. Nah, kalau ini what is the weather like in your city? Cuaca di kota kamu seperti apa? Kayak gitu.
Oh gitu.
Okay. Now, Uswa, you should answer. How
Kalau
would you answer?
apa? Sometimes raining apa rain?
Iya.
Kadang-kadang hujan, kadang-kadang panas. Sometimes raining. Terus sometimes
it rains a lot, and sometimes the weather is like so hot.
sometimes it's rain, but sometimes so hard gitu.
Ya, betul.
Correct.
Ya, betul.
Oh.
Satu lagi nanya apa lagi ke Dona ya.
Kalau itu Dona bisa nanya lagi. Oh, so what kind of weather do you like? Oh, jadi kamu sukanya yang mana? Hujan atau panas kayak gitu. Oh, so what kind of weather do you like? The rain one or the hot one?
Hot apa, Bun?
Don?
What kind weather do you like, Uswa?
What kind of weather do you like? Oh, so what kind of weather do you like? Oh, jadi cuaca yang kayak gimana yang kamu lebih suka? Yang hujan kah atau yang panas kah? Kayak gitu.
I like hot weather because jemuran saya kering, Bun.
Apa?
Karena jemuran saya bisa kering.
It will help my laundry.
I like hot weather.
It will help my laundry to get. It will help my laundry.
It will help my laundry gitu. Oke,
Ah,
oke.
it will help my laundry
Oh,
to
jadi
get
nggak
dry
harus
soon.
yang jemuran kering gitu aja ya? Nggak
Iya,
yang,
betul.
oh, jadi global aja gitu ya?
Betul. Gak apa-apa,
Maksudnya?
it's okay to make jokes with someone you know. Asal jokesnya itu something yang common ya, nggak menyangkut masalah pribadi. Kayak Uswah ngomong kayak gitu kan, eh, saya suka cuaca kering karena kalau cuaca kering jemuran saya tuh cepet kering kayak gitu. Itu kan small jokes and it's about common thing, so it's very good for your conversation. I like the
Hmm.
dry more because when it's dry, when the weather is hot, it can help my laundry to get dry soon, like that.
Oke,
Okay.
oke, oke.
Okay, next. Kita ada lagi. Pokoknya it's all about kalian.
Materi-materinya
Ngomong
ada di
aja, kalian ngomong terus pokoknya ya. I'm just the audience here, okay?
materi-materinya ada di itu kan ya? Ada di Google.
Apa deh? Apa,
Materi-materi ini ada di Google.
ada di Google Drive semua.
Google
Udah
Drive
aku
itu.
copy di Google Drive.
Oke,
Oke?
oke, oke.
Bisa dibaca kapan aja, bisa di-download kapan aja. Oke? Okay, now this is the questions about family. Ini contoh ya, contoh small talks about family. Family cuman as in public information ya, not private information, enggak yang terlalu private atau personal gitu. Okay? So who's going to be A and who's going to be B? Dona and Uswah, you decide.
I'm the first. Oke, MI.
Jadi sekarang Uswah
Oke.
dulu lah. Uswah A, Dona will be B.
Oke. How is Carol doing? I haven't
Boleh nggak
seen.
jangan langsung ke sini. Pakai hi, how are you dulu dong.
Oh, hai Dona, ganti nama Dona ya.
Iya, ganti nama Dona.
Hai Dona, how are you?
I'm great. How are you? How are you too?
I'm pretty good. How are you doing?
Huh?
I haven't seen her for ages.
Oh, she's fine. Just got a job with the Unilever.
That's great news. We should get together one of these days. Annie would love to see you both. You both too.
Sure, that be great. Uswah.
Okay. Good job. Good job.
Nanti salah.
Oke. Yang ini bacanya that would be ya. Jadi ini tahu kan WOULD. Would.
Singkatan gitu ya.
That would be great. Oh, aku udah tahu ini. Another. Oke ya, that would be great. Oke, like this. Ya, jadi ini sama, that would be great. Okay, how's Carol doing? I haven't seen her for ages. Oh, she's fine. Just got a job with the Unilever. Jadi ini kayak nanyain, mungkin ini dua keluarga yang saling mengenal ya. Jadi makanya dia nanyain anggota keluarganya yang lain kayak gitu. How's Carol doing? Mungkin Carol nih saudaranya Dona atau temen anaknya Dona atau ponakannya Dona kayak gitu ya. Oh, she's fine. Just got a job with the Unilever. That's great. We should get together one of these days. Annie ini mungkin saudaranya si A atau keluarganya si A gitu. Jadi Annie would love to see you both too. Jadi si Annie ini saudaranya si A, sementara Carol saudaranya si B. Oke? Good job. Oke. Ini kita baca bareng ya. How are the kids?
How are the kids?
Good. Give my regards to your husband.
Give me regards
Give
to your
my
husband.
regards to your
This one is give my regards to your husband.
Give my regards to your husband.
Oke. Kalau how are the kids artinya apa, Dona?
Gimana kabar anakmu?
Iya, betul. Gimana kabar anak-anak? Uswa, give my regards to your husband artinya apa?
Salam buat suamimu gitu.
Iya, betul.
Ya.
Good. Why don't you come over for dinner one of these days?
Why don't you come over for dinner one of these days?
One of
These days.
Mengapa
Ya, betul.
kamu
Gimana kalau
Ini sama tuh kan
datang
kayak
buat
tadi mau ngajakin Uzwa sama Dona mau ngajakin aku makan atau aku nonton gitu ya, atau jalan-jalan gitu ya. Nah, gitu. Ini bisa pakai ini nih, one of these days.
Oh,
One of these days itu berarti dalam waktu dekat ini kayak gitu. Why don't you come over for dinner one of these days? Ya udah, ayo kita makan malam lah kapan-kapan dalam waktu dekat ini kayak gitu. Kalau one of these days itu dalam waktu dekat ini. Kalau any days itu berarti ya kapan-kapan kayak gitu. Oke, ada pertanyaan?
oh, ini jadi bukan kalimat why don't you come itu bukan kalimat itu ya, Bun. Negatif ya, maksudnya kayak kok kamu nggak mau sih gitu,
Oh,
bukan ya?
bukan, ini pertanyaan. Gimana kalau kamu makan malam ke rumahku besok kayak gitu.
Oh.
Gimana kalau kamu makan ke rumahku dalam waktu dekat ini kayak gitu. Ini ya sebenarnya sih bukan pertanyaan, ini ajakan sebenarnya. Why don't you come over for dinner one of these days? Gimana kalau kamu makan malam di tempatku dalam waktu dekat ini? Itu artinya itu.
Oke.
Ini ajakan. Oh, good question, Uswa. Ayo, apalagi pertanyaannya? Any other questions? Oke, next role play berikutnya.
Next.
Aku harus keluar ini dulu.
Oke.
Anatole. Oke. This is about sports, film, and people. Oh, ini nggak bisa hilang ya. That would be great-nya ya. Anatole harus dihapus. Oke, dan. Oke, sekarang sports, film, and people. Oke, who should be A and B? Ini Uswa sama Dona semua.
I'm the first.
Oke,
Boleh.
Uswa, go ahead.
Langsung aja atau pakai
Oh,
greeting?
harus pakai greetingsnya dulu, jangan lupa.
Jangan how are you mulu.
Iya, apa ya? How are you?
Emang gitu, biar terbiasa. Pretty good, kayak gitu.
Hi, Dot. How are you?
I'm good.
Apa dulu?
How about you?
I'm good too.
Iya, bagus.
Did you see the game last night?
Oh no, I miss it. It's a good game?
Uswa harus jawab.
Yes.
What
Yes.
score ended? What score ended?
8.
Ngerti kan yang ditanyain ayo. Gasarnya.
Sepak bola
nggak tahu
ceritanya lagi
filmnya
ngomongin
apaan.
sepak bola ini.
Oh, bola ya? Oh, ya udah. Yes, good. Portugal aja deh, Portugal.
Portugal.
Because I love
Christian.
her player ya.
Their player. Their
player.
Yeah, one of the
Apa ya?
Portugal. No. We have different terms. one of Portugal player. Iya benar, one of Portugal player.
Because I like one of Portugal player.
Good.
What tim apa yang kamu suka? What apa Bun? Kamu suka tim apa gitu?
Oh.
Would you
What like
have you
what
gitu?
team you like?
What
Which
aku
football
jawab
soccer
aku
do
kayak
you
kedua
like?
kan?
Which soccer
Oh.
team do you vote
Oh.
for? Bisa kayak gitu, atau bisa juga which football team do you like? Kayak gitu.
Team.
Oh, which football team do you like, Donna?
Oh, country or liga, liga lagi.
Country. FIFA, it's about a FIFA World Cup.
World Cup. In World Cup,
Yes.
I like England.
Oh,
Yes.
England.
Because I love England juga lah.
I know who you
Whose
love.
player you like?
I love that country.
Okay.
Whose player
Good
you
job.
like? Do you like?
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know name of player in England. I just watch the game.
Oh. I love football because I like the player, but if apa?
Dari
Hmm,
mana? Bener kan?
ya udah nggak tahu.
Udah, good job. Good job, ya ampun, hebat banget.
Okay.
Iya, that's a good job, that's a very good job. Emang kayak gitu, dari small talk, it leads to a good conversation when where someone, I mean, two people can be like get closer and relationship get friendlier like that. Yeah, that's a very good role play, Donna. Uswa, well done, you two. Okay, next.
Banyak
Film.
bahasa Indonesia.
Oke. Coba lagi tentang film. Ini nggak apa-apa deh, nggak usah pakai pendahuluan lagi, langsung. Have you seen? Tapi dari situ akan to everyone.
Ini judul filmnya Corpse Bride ini, Bun.
Betul.
Ganti
Atau
jangan film
kamu
itu Don.
mau ganti,
Nggak
mau
apa-apa.
ganti jadi Avatar
Ganti
2
film.
juga nggak apa-apa.
Avatar 2 aku belum nonton.
Okay, so maybe Avengers.
Ya terserah Donna deh. Avenger boleh. Avenger atau apa ya?
Okay.
Film Indonesia aja deh.
Who will go first?
Donna.
Apa ya? Film apa ya?
Don, your turn.
Uswa, have you seen?
Terserah Donna filmnya.
Apa ya?
Sidul. Sidul.
Yes.
Have you? Ini aja deh. Have you seen Upin Ipin? We went Upin Ipin the movie. We went to see it last night.
Oke, gitu ya. How was it?
I thought it was hilarious, but I was a bit disappointed.
Terus ini artinya
Terus bisa nanya why are you disappointed? Kayak gitu.
Disappointed apa? The
Kecewa.
meaning?
Kecewa.
Oh, atu.
Mark thought it was
Why?
hilarious.
Why?
Iya, Uswa bagus.
Upin-Upin, but it was
Because
what is disappointed gitu.
Why do you feel disappointed?
Why? Why apa? Why do?
Why do you? Kenapa kamu merasa kecewa?
Why do you
Why do you
why do
feel?
you is
Karena disappointed itu kan perasaan ya. Jadi kita tanyanya kenapa kamu merasa kecewa? Why do you feel disappointed? Kayak gitu.
what do you feel disappointed?
Oh.
Donna?
because Atu is always
Harusnya Sidul dong.
but Atu is always angry to Ipin dan Upin.
Oh no, Atu always help Upin Ipin, right?
Oh,
No,
I thought
no,
so. I
in
thought
that
help Upin Ipin. I think it
no,
was Miss Rose, Kak Rose.
no, but
Rose is-
but in that movie always angry with Upin Ipin, not Rose,
Oh,
not Rose in in that movie.
Uswa bisa jawab I see. Oh, I see. Oh, oke, aku ngerti
oh,
kayak gitu. I see itu udah paling respon paling I see kayak gitu. Oh, oke, aku ngerti kayak gitu.
Oh gitu. Oh, I see.
You should
Good job. Keren.
you should seen Uswa.
Okay, maybe next week I want to watch the movie.
Oh, okay.
What I want to.
Okay, you should seen with your son and your family.
Only at cinema
Yes.
in. Oh,
Yes.
oh, okay.
Oh, I'm so proud of you too. Aduh, pada pinter-pinter, keren. Good job Uswa, good job Donna. Well done. Kayak gitu. See, it runs naturally, right? You'll get used to it if you speak daily and often. Just don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's okay, yeah. Just try and say it. Try and say everything what's in your mind. Don't worry about the grammar. Don't worry about the pronunciation. Don't worry about whether it's right or wrong. There's no mistakes in learning, ya. We only learn like something new kayak gitu every day. Good job. Yeah, keep your spirit.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So we should read this word together. You should definitely go for it.
You should
You should definitely go for it.
Go for it. Don, ini
Def-
artinya apa, Don?
Kamu harus sebaiknya definitely pergi.
Ini definitely itu kayak penegasan gitu loh. Kamu bener-bener harus nyobain itu.
Nyobain.
Itu boleh, artinya boleh kayak gitu. Go for it itu misalkan gini, aku mau coba
Definitely.
ngelamar kerja gitu, jadi PNS gitu. You should definitely go for it. Kamu bener-bener harus nyoba itu gitu. Itu definitely itu penegasan. Ya. Go for it. Aku mau nembak pacar, nembak cowok. You should definitely go for it. Kamu harus benar-benar coba itu gitu. Itu sesuatu yang dia sangat rekomendasiin kayak gitu. Misalkan tadi kan Uswa bilang, okay, next week I will watch that movie. Nah, Donna bisa jawab, Dona bisa ngasih respon, you should definitely go for it. Ya, kamu benar-benar harus nonton kayak gitu. Oke?
Okay.
Okay. So you must
Okay, okay.
see that.
You must see that.
Kalau
Apa tuh,
you must see that itu
You must
kayak
see that.
kamu ya itu yang nonton film karena sih itu kan udah jelas yang
Wajib nonton.
melihat ya, melihat, nonton kayak gitu atau nonton konser bisa you must see that pokoknya kamu benar-benar harus lihat itu gitu atau ke kebun binatang Ragunan saya pengen ke polar bear attraction oh you must see that is a very funny attraction kayak gitu. Jadi itu you must see that, oke? Ada pertanyaan?
No.
Oke, next ini kayak gosip nih, gosip. Have you heard Monica is getting married? Ini digosipin orang.
Monica is getting married.
Good. Don't tell
Have you heard
anyone,
Monica is-
but apparently Jennifer is going to be promoted.
Don't
Don't tell anyone, but
anyone,
apparently
but
Jennifer is going to be promoted.
Yap, good job. Oke, jadi ini ingat ya, yang orang yang dibicarain itu harus semua orang yang ngomongin itu harus kenal. Jadi kan nggak mungkin, misalkan aku ngomongin sama Uswa, seseorang yang Uswa nggak kenal kayak gitu. Jadi ini harus kolega atau teman dari mutual friend dari kedua party tersebut, kedua orang yang lagi ngomong tersebut ya. Monica and Jennifer. Oke. Tenang, ada masih banyak. Sekarang weather ya. Oke, aku akan nanya, terus Uswa kasih responnya ya. Gantian ya sama Dona ya. Oke, ini ada 4. Kind of chilly
Chilly
this
apa, Bu?
morning. Ini dingin ya. Agak dingin ya pagi ini kayak gitu. Kind of chilly this morning, isn't it, Uswa?
Not yet. Not apa? Apa sih? Ada my husband. Ayah, please ya.
Oke, Dona,
Dona first.
send my regards to your husband.
I want to mute.
Okay, Dona, your turn. So, Uswa is saved by her husband. Okay, kind of chilly this morning, isn't it, Dona?
No. This morning too hot for me.
I see. So what's the temperature in your area?
The temperature in my area is maybe 20.
Oh, I see.
27.
So
27
degree.
degrees.
Degree, yeah. 27 degree. Wow, that's hot. I see. So that's why it's not chilly in your part. Okay, good job. Good job, Don. And next, Uswa, what
Yes,
a
yes.
beautiful morning. A bit windy, but beautiful. What do you think?
This morning is beautiful. Apa sih? Artinya apa sih ini? What a beautiful. A bit windy apa bener? Berawan
Pagi
ya?
ini tuh
Pagi
ini tuh indah banget,
Indah.
agak berangin
Indah
tapi
banget
indah.
ya.
Ah,
Agak
ah.
berangin but indah.
Iya.
Yes. It's so beautiful.
Oh, really? I'm glad you like it too. Maaf. Okay. Next, Don. It's never that hot at this time of the year. It's never that hot at this time of the year. Why do you think it happened?
Oh, I think I think because the apa ya? Musim apa sih, Dek?
You can say it's because of the climate changing or global
Ya,
warming,
ya gitu.
global warming, pemanasan global, or because of too many carbon dioxide kayak gitu.
Hmm. Eh, yeah, because maybe it's global warming that change the musim apa sih?
Apa?
Musim apa?
Nggak
Weather.
kedengeran.
Musim.
Oh, musim, season.
Season. Oh, cuaca ya, winter ya.
Heeh.
Eh,
Weather, cuaca,
season
musim, season.
musim panas apa sih? Musim panas.
Because it's dry season.
Oh, dry. Because because apa tadi? Global warming change change dry season eh, berubah berubah apa sih namanya?
Good job, Don. Good job. Yes, it's true.
Change.
Dry season is for country like Indonesia, and summer is like country with 4 seasons, like Korea, South Korea, or America, or like Europe countries, because they have 4 seasons, so that the hot happens on the summer. We call that season summer. But in Indonesia, we only have 2 seasons, the rainy season and the dry season. Musim panasnya disebutnya dry season kalau di negara dengan 2 iklim. Oke? Oke, sekarang coba praktisnya It's been raining for weeks buat Uswa. Hey Uswa, it's been raining for weeks. Is this never going to end?
Yes, I'm so sad. Kasihan apa ya, Bu?
Oh, nggak kedengeran Uswa.
Aku kasihan kalau hujan, takut
Yeah, I
banjir
feel
gitu.
so sorry. Every time it's raining, apa gitu kamu bilang.
Iya, aku sih
Aku kasihan itu I feel so sorry.
hujannya. Oh, I feel so sorry if raining for a week in Jakarta is apa?
Make
Banjir?
Flood.
make banjir. Make
Oh,
flood.
flood.
Apa bahasa Inggris?
Flood.
Flood.
Flood. Flood like this.
Tulisannya?
Flood. Mhm.
Oh, flood.
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 I feel so sorry to hear that. Usah bisa ngasih responnya kayak gitu. I feel so sorry to hear that. I'm afraid. I feel sorry for Jakarta because if the rain continues, Jakarta might might be flood. There will be flood all over Jakarta kayak gitu. Apa tadi aku bilangnya? Usah responnya. I feel sorry. Jadi pertama ngasih respon dari pernyataan, kan ceritanya aku ngomong sesuatu yang nggak enak gitu ya. Jadi Uswa menyatakan simpatinya dulu. I'm so sorry to hear that.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Iya betul. Ini untuk menyatakan simpati. Jadi kalau dengar berita duka atau orang cerita dia kena musibah, ya nih aku habis jatuh, my car had an accident, atau I just lost my grandparents, itu kan musibah ya. Jadi ini adalah polite-nya kita untuk ngerespon, untuk menunjukkan kita bersimpati gitu. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Kayak gitu. I hope. Nah, I hope the rain will stop. The rain will stop. So otherwise, I'm afraid Jakarta will get flood. Kayak gini. I hope the rain will stop. Otherwise, I'm afraid Jakarta will get flood. Ah, gini.
Aku baca ya.
Hmm.
I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope the rain will stop. Otherwise, I'm afraid Jakarta will get flood.
Haha, good job. Kayak gitu. Ya, jadi harus ada respon awalnya yang kayak simpati kalau misalkan seseorang menceritakan sebuah berita yang kurang menyenangkan ya yang terjadi sama dia. Itu respon pertamanya, I'm so sorry to hear that, kayak gitu. Misalkan, oke, Uswa bilang, aduh anak aku sakit gitu kan. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope he will get well soon, kayak gitu. Ini bagian awalnya, very important phrase. Oke, next. Ini Uswah sama Dona. Uswah yang nanya dulu terus. Ini sebenarnya sama ya pertanyaannya. How did you spend the weekend? Did you do anything special? Sama how was your weekend? Ini sama pertanyaannya ya. Jadi yang pertama misalkan Uswah nanya dulu, baru Dona yang jawab. Baru yang kedua Dona yang nanya, Uswah yang jawab. Oke? Go ahead.
Okay. How did you spend the weekend, Donna? Did you do anything special?
No, I just just in home. I just at home. How about you, Uswa?
This weekend I want to play with my sons in the park
Where is the park?
in SDC.
SDC
Uh,
in Tangerang.
Yes, is in South Tangerang. Tangerang bukan ya? Tangerang apa ya? Oh no, it's in Sumarekon.
Sumarekon bukan
Oh,
Tangerang ya,
Sumarekon.
Banten ya.
Tangerang apa ya?
Tangerang.
Serpong, BSD.
Tangerang.
Serpong.
Serpong semua.
Oh.
Good job. Oke, ini koreksinya ya. Ini yang Dona, I just spend my time in home. Ini juga bisa in atau at juga nggak apa-apa ya. I just spend my time at home. No, I just spend my time at home. Oke?
Oh, oke.
Oke, ada pertanyaan berikutnya? Ini salah satu ininya ya. Apa? Contoh-contohnya nih, contoh-contoh pertanyaan-pertanyaannya nih tentang the weather. Isn't it a beautiful day? Will it be sunny all day? Kayak gitu. Ini contoh-contohnya. How cold is it outside? Is it going to be cold all week? Nah, ini what picture is this, Uswah, Dona?
Cool.
Do you know what picture is this?
Salju ya? Snow. Snowy.
Yes. And we also call this, snowflake.
Snowflake.
So when you see it like just one, like this picture, this is snowflake. But if you see like a few or a painting or a picture like the garden or house covered with snow, that's what you call snow. So snow is a lot of snowflake. But if you see only one, we call this snowflake. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good job. Now, the next one. Can you believe all this rain? Will it ever stop raining? Okay. Oke, Uswa dulu. Uswa baca dari atas sampai bawah.
Okay. Isn't it a beautiful day? Will it be sunny all day? How cold is it outside? Is
Oke,
it
ini cold
going
ya.
to be?
Cold.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
How cold is it outside?
Uh-huh.
Is it going to be cold all week?
Good.
Can you believe all this rain?
Uh-huh.
Will it ever stop raining?
Oke, ini will it ever stop raining?
Ever ya? Will it
Ah.
ever stop raining?
Good job. Oke, Donna next.
Isn't it a
Lagi sholat
beautiful
dulu.
day?
Mhm,
Will it be sunny all day?
mhm,
How cold is outside?
mhm,
Is it going to be cold all week?
uh-huh,
Can you believe all this rain?
uh-huh.
Will it ever stop raining?
Good job. Okay, now this is the weather. This is common interest. Okay, let me read it first. Okay, let me read the sentence first. Do you like sports? Where are you from? What do you like to do for fun? What kind of music do you listen to? Have you seen any good movies lately? Do you know, how do you know Faris like that? How do you know Faris? Yeah, we're gonna use Faris' name in here, okay? Now, Uswa first.
Do you like sport?
Mhm.
Sampai bawah, baca.
Iya,
Okay.
sampai bawah.
Where are you from?
Mhm,
What do you like to do for fun?
mhm.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Good.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Uh-huh.
How do you know Faris?
Good. So Donna, you're next.
Do you like sports? Where
Uh-huh.
are you from? What do
Mhm.
you like to do for fun?
Uh-huh.
What kind of music do you listen to? Have
Mhm.
you seen any good movies lately?
Uh-huh.
How do you know Paris? How do you
Good
know
job.
Paris?
Ya, ini nanti kalian ketika kalian baca terus kalian ucapkan itu kan sama aja ada sensor saraf motorik yang bergerak ya karena kalian tuh aktif gitu. Nah nanti tuh dengan pengulangan itu akan semakin melekat jadi nanti itu akan run naturally kayak gitu. Kalau masih sekali dua kali baca itu masih kayak kagok ya besok ya lupa kayak gitu. Nanti kalau ketemu orang lupa ya nanya apa ya. Seharusnya kan ini udah diajarin ya nanya ini, nanya itu gitu ya. Nah, tapi nanti kalau kalian semakin sering diulang itu akan semakin natural keluar gitu aja kata-kata ini ya. Ingat, ala bisa karena biasa ya.
Biasa. Ya.
Ini udah 21.14 nih Ibu-ibu. Kita masih ada banyak sekali ternyata.
Nggak apa-apa.
Mau
belum ngantuk,
dilanjutin
belum
atau besok lagi Sabtu masih ya, Sabtu
ngantuk. Oh,
masih
Sabtu
aku
masih.
ikut kelas Sabtu, tapi kalau kalian nggak sempat ikut nggak apa-apa, karena kita bahasannya itu akan kita ulang-ulang sampai bisa selesai. Nah nanti Miss Rara akan masuk materi baru hari Senin.
Oke.
Jadi besok kita masih akan ngebahas tetap nge-review greeting sama small talk kayak gitu. Dan kalau kalian ulang-ulang kan jadi kalian akan semakin hafal, semakin bisa kayak gitu. Akan semakin lancar ngomongnya ya.
Yes.
Okay, so should we stop now, Usma, Donna? It's already 9:15.
Next. 15 minutes again lah.
10 minutes again. Okay, until 30 past 9, okay? Ya, ini current
Oke.
events ya. Ini kalau misalkan mau nanya tentang situasi terkini kayak gitu. Okay, the question is, did you watch the news last night? Did you see the parade yesterday? Did you catch the game last night? Did you hear about the election? Ini artinya apa kamu lihat berita semalam? Apa kamu lihat parade kemarin? Apa kamu nonton permainan semalam? Gitu. Apa kamu dengar sesuatu tentang pemilu? Itu artinya gitu ya. Okay, Donna first. You read the question first.
Did you watch the news last night?
Mhm.
Did you see the parade yesterday?
Mhm.
Did you watch the game last night? Did
Catch
you hear about oh, did you catch the game last night?
uh-huh.
Did you hear about election?
About the election.
The election. Maaf,
Good.
nggak fokus. Komputernya mau mati.
Iya nggak apa-apa. Catch sama watch sebenarnya sama, cuman catch itu kayak ya ini aja salah satu bahasa lainnya gitu, bahasa lainnya nonton pertandingan itu catch kayak gitu. Oke, Uswa, you're next.
Okay. Did you watch the news last night? Did you
Good.
see the parade yesterday?
The parade,
Oh, did you see the apa? The
parade,
parade
parade.
parade
Uh,
parade.
Okay, let
Did you
me
see the
find my
parade
thing.
yesterday? Did you catch the game last night? Did you hear about the election? Iris?
Like this parade.
Parade. Did you see the
Parade.
parade?
Yeah. Did you see the
Parade.
parade last night?
Parade.
Yesterday?
Oh, parade.
Okay, good job, Uswa.
Parade.
Okay, next.
Going.
Oh, sorry, lupa di exit. Nah, ini kalau di kantor. Kalau di situasi kantor, biasanya nih orang-orang ketika bertemu ngobrolnya kayak begini ya. How is your day going? How was your weekend? Have you worked here long? Are you going to the office party? Do you have any fun plans for the weekend? Kayak gitu. Ini ya biasanya orang-orang tanyain ya untuk ngobrol, untuk nyairin suasana, untuk mempererat keakraban dengan teman-teman kantor nih. Biasanya orang-orang nanyanya kayak gini. Oke, Uswah, silakan.
How is your day going? How was your weekend? Have you worked here long?
Here. Have you
Are
worked
you
here long?
Oh yeah. Have you worked here long? Are you going to the office party? Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Good job. Donna, you're next.
How is your day going? How was your weekend? Have you worked here long? Are you going to the office party? Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Good job, Uswa Donna. Oh, your vocabulary, your pronunciation is getting better. Good job. Okay, this is you can see in the box below. This is some tips in US culture. Try not to gossip about other coworkers. Ini one thing differentiate between United States and Indonesia is Indonesian people really love to gossip. Unfortunately, the US doesn't. Even though they have paparazzi, they have infotainment too, but the audience, the people at work, they don't do gossip that much, not like we do, ya. Mungkin karena di sana tuh budayanya nggak terlalu banyak basa-basi kali ya, nggak kayak di Indonesia. Mereka mah basa-basinya aja harus sopan kayak gitu. Jadi mereka tuh bener-bener ini jarang banget gosip. Orang kalau kerja gitu kayak waiter gitu atau kerja di restoran kan mereka dibayarnya per jam ya rata-rata. Jadi ya dibayar 1 jam, 2 jam, $10 itu ya beneran harus kerja, nggak boleh gosip gitu. Nah kalau kita kan ya gajinya bulanan ya, jadinya kita nggak apa-apa sambil gosip gitu ya. Oke,
Banyak
terus
bergosip, sedikit bekerja.
Ya begitulah. The next one is try to avoid very personal topics or questions while at work. Especially in the US, they are very sensitive about personal matters. Jadi, unless we are very close to someone, try not to ask personal questions. Bahkan sama orang yang deket pun mereka tuh jarang curhat-curhatan kayak gitu. Mereka kalau mau konseling ya ke dokter, ke psikiater kayak gitu ya. Mereka atau ke priest ya, mereka biasanya konsultasinya tuh ke pendeta mereka gitu. Kalau ini biasanya enggak, jarang banget yang curhat-curhat gitu sama teman-teman gitu ya. Okay, and the next one is it is usually not
Iya.
appropriate to talk or ask about salaries. Itu sangat forbidden nanya-nanya gaji ya. Kalau di Indonesia mah ya kadang cuek-cuek aja. Gaji lu berapa di situ kayak gitu kan. Tapi kalau di luar itu no, they don't talk about
Spesifik.
salaries. Aduh, gaji gue segini gitu. Enggak. In the US especially, they don't talk about the salaries kayak gitu. Okay, any questions for the small talk at work?
No.
No.
Oke.
Emang
Nah, ini dia responsnya ya. Kalau aku yang nanya, Uswa yang jawab ya. Uswa boleh pilih yang ini, atau yang ini, atau yang ini, atau yang ini. Oke? Jadi I apa ya?
okay.
Okay, so hi Uswa. What did you do over the weekend?
I went to the movies. I
Oh.
went to the movies.
Yes, good job. Okay, Uswa, good job. I can ask you back. What did you watch? What movie did you watch last weekend?
I want to watch Avatar 2 maybe
I went ya.
because
Jangan sampai ketuker. Kalau I want itu berarti belum terjadi. Kalau I went itu berarti udah terjadi.
I went.
Iya betul. I went to watch the Avatar 2 the movie. Terus aku bisa nanya lagi. So,
I
how
went sudah
did it
terjadi ya.
go? Do you
Oke,
like the
oke.
movie?
Kenapa? Repeat.
How did it goes? Gimana nontonnya? Did you like the movies? Apa kamu suka filmnya?
No, because I aku lebih I more like comedian
Genre.
film.
Well, the movie was great, but I like comedian. Oh no. What's comedian?
Iya.
Apa sih kalau
Apa
komedi
sih
itu ininya genrenya?
komedi ya?
I like comedy genre better.
Komedi genre ya.
I like
The movie is
funny movie
great,
juga
but I
bisa.
like funny movie ya.
I like funny movie better.
Ulangi ya.
Boleh.
Oh.
So how did it go? Did you
The
like the
movie is
movie?
great. The movie is great, but I
prefer
like fun.
I prefer
I
the
prefer
funny movies.
I prefer funny movie better gitu.
Yes, good job.
Apa nggak usah pakai better?
Ya kan begitu. Karena ini kan kita latihan
Iya.
koordinasi mata,
Kan emang nggak
koordinasi.
suka gitu ya abis nonton tadi aku nggak suka.
See, Usa, just so you know, Donna watch Avatar 2 like 4 times or maybe 5 times.
No, 3 times.
Only 3 times? Are you sure? I
Only
thought
3
you mentioned it 4 times.
Only 3 times. I don't have money again to watch it.
So if you have the money, will you watch it again?
Yes, of course.
My God. Oh, Donna, you love Avatar 2 so much. Donna is a huge fan of Avatar to the movie.
Why you like the movie?
Yeah, fantasy movie.
Apaan? Nggak jelas.
Why do you
She
like the
really likes
movie?
the CGI.
Kenapa?
Dona bener-bener suka
Yes,
fantasy movie yang kayak
I
gitu.
love
Dia bener-bener,
CGI. Hmm.
Oh,
iya,
Fiction,
she
fiction genre.
yeah, it goes like that. Oh, very good, you two. Okay, good job. Good job, Uswa. Good job, Donna. Okay, next, Donna. What did you do over the weekend?
Yes. I did nothing.
You did nothing. Oh, why?
Yeah.
Why didn't you do anything?
Uh, I don't have plan anything.
Ah, you should have come to my house.
No,
We should have
I
dinner
don't
together.
want.
Iya.
No, you very busy.
No, I don't want to disturb you. I know you're busy like that.
Yeah. You very you do, you very busy. I don't want to disturb you. Yeah.
Good job like that. No, I know you're very busy. I don't want to disturb you. Yeah, kayak gitu. Donna, you shouldn't be like that. Oh, we're close friend. Good job, good job. Keren, 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 keren. Udah bisa sekarang loh kita ngobrol. Wow, we can talk in English. So cool, everyone. Nah, this one is talking about hobbies. Kayak misalkan kalau ada yang nanya gitu ya. What do you like doing in your free time? Atau what do you like to do in your free time? Nah, itu bisa jawabannya ini sama ini. Oke, Donna, you choose which one? This one or this one? The left one or the right one?
Benar. Ya.
Donna
Left.
left ya.
Oh, udah.
Oke.
Benar lah. Mati kali ya, Bun?
Hah?
Enggak, masih ada. Ada, Dona.
Oke. Oke, let me ask this question ya. Hi Donna, what do you like doing in your free time? Don, are you here?
Internetnya.
Okay, sorry.
Aduh.
Uh-huh.
I like to playing basketball.
Uh-huh. Try to answer all four.
Sorry, Dek. Gimana
Hah?
tadi? Ulang deh. Tadi ngapain?
Iya, enggak. Emang bener Donna cuman jawab yang ini doang semuanya.
Semuanya. Oh,
Uh-uh.
semuanya.
Uh-huh.
Yang sebelah kanan kan I like playing basketball. I like
Donna yang kanan apa yang kiri?
yang kanan.
Oh, yang kanan. This one. Okay,
Right.
Okay, let me ask you first. What do you like doing in your free time?
I like playing basketball.
Mm-hmm.
I like dancing. I like traveling. I like watching movies.
Okay, good job. Now, Uswa, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play basketball. I like to dance. I like to travel. I like to watch movies.
Good job ya. Ini
Bedanya?
sebenarnya ini masuk pembahasannya ke tenses, tapi ya dari pengalaman saya, kalau belajar tenses tuh malah bikin pusing. Jadi yang penting kalian terbiasa dulu have conversation. Nanti kalau udah fluent conversation-nya, pronunciation-nya, udah kata-katanya udah banyak, nanti baru kita belajar tentang tenses. Oke? Perjalanan kita masih panjang. Sabar ya.
Ya.
Oke, ini yang terakhir. How to end a conversation. Ini Uswa will read this one and Donna will read this one, okay? Donna, you go first.
This has been great. Thanks for telling me about the event. Do you have a card?
Good job. Oke, sekarang Uswa.
The next season is starting soon. So I'm
Kalau
going
yang ini
to go.
bacanya session ya. The next session It's starting soon.
Session. Oh, the next session is starting soon. So I'm going to go find my room. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, good job. Donna?
Can't wait to hear how project gas ya. Gas
Mhm.
kan? Let's catch up at the next meeting.
Yeah, good job. Uswa?
Excuse me, I'm going to use the restroom. Enjoy the rest of the party.
Good job. Okay, next, Donna.
I'm going to go grab some food.
Uh-huh.
Great to meet you.
Great to meet you ya. Good. Sekarang Uswa?
Well, glad we got the chance to connect over the issue. I
Uh-huh.
don't want to dominate your afternoon.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to take a walk around the venue.
Good job. Oke, sekarang Donna.
I see my friend over there and should probably go say hi.
Mhm.
Want to exchange contact info?
Hmm. Terus Uswa terakhir.
Is there anything I can help you with?
Ya, good job. Itu dia. Uh, okay, that's all. How do I stop the share? Okay.
Kemarin cuma berdua jadinya.
Oh,
Enak banget, Don.
Yang lain kemana, Dek? Pada nggak ikut
ini
lagi?
aku nggak sempat lihat grup juga. Aku lihat grup dulu ya. Padahal tadi katanya tuh Ajang mau join kayak gitu. Siapa namanya? Si ini juga, Faris juga. Mungkin lagi masih pada sibuk. Ya
Jalan
udah,
kali ya.
apa? Kan ya maksudnya sekarang kalian berdua, besok siapa lagi gitu ya.
Besok Uswa doang.
Lebih
Kemarin Uswa doang ya?
Kemarin aku
kemarin
sama Mbak Hana doang.
aku
Oh, ada Mbak
tidur,
Hana.
Oh,
ketiduran.
it's okay.
Oh, ada Mbak Hana.
Aku tuh bahkan pengen ngadain kalau maunya siang gitu nggak apa-apa. Misalkan 1-2 orang yang bisa jam berapa gitu nggak apa-apa. Nanti kan kita kan
Iya,
ngulang-ngulang ini
boleh.
sampai bisa sebelum kita masuk ke pelajaran berikutnya kayak gitu. Sebenarnya sih ini cuma diulang-ulang aja pelajarannya. Karena tuh yang penting
Biar
ini
terbiasa ya.
conversation kayak gitu. Conversation at work kayak gitu. Karena kan bisnis administratif. Oke, ada pertanyaan untuk sesi kita
Oke.
kali ini?
No.
No.
Oke, thank you ya. Let me stop the recording first.